Good morning. I'm shooting this video outside of the Chandler Police Department, which is located right next to the Chandler Court. And I wanted to shoot this video, one, to show you what the Chandler Court looks like. So if you have a case here, this is where you're going to be going to. It's obviously located in Chandler. And the weather right now in February in Phoenix is just incredible. People are out having a good time at festivals or getting ready for spring training games. We've got a lot of visitors in town. And if you're watching this, I assume you're familiar with the Chandler itself in downtown Chandler. And we're seeing tons of DUIs take place out of Chandler, being that it's one of the more popular places to come for the bars and the restaurants, and it's just exploded within the past couple of years. In terms of our experience in Chandler, we get hired multiple times per week. We've handled hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands, of cases here in Chandler. And what we do for our Chandler DUIs is we get started sooner rather than later. We get the police report, we investigate the case, we look at calibration records. The sooner we get started, the better chance we have at getting your case dismissed or reduced. Let me give you an example of something we did just this past week. We got the police report for a DUI. We carefully reviewed it. We brought our client in and we noticed that there was a discrepancy in the cross street of where our client was arrested. And so we brought that to the attention of the officer, and we found out the officer was just working off of a template, okay? And what that means is we have a very lazy police officer who's not doing his job. We're gonna use that in an effort to get the case dismissed or reduced. There's absolutely no way our client would have been able to determine that had he not hired us and not hired a lawyer who knew what they were doing. The other things that we can do with the case is we can look at the way that the blood was analyzed. There are issues with blood analysis all the time. For instance, last year, we found out that the tubes that they were using to analyze blood were defective. There was a recall on them. We used that issue in an effort to get all of our clients' case who were affected by that. We got their DUIs reduced. Again, there's no way you would have found that out unless you hired an experienced attorney for your DUI. So what I would suggest doing is if you're cited for a DUI, call us, okay? It doesn't necessarily mean you have to hire us. Just call us and we're gonna walk you through exactly how we can help you, step by step. We're not gonna rush you. We're not going to pressure you into hiring us. We don't hire any salespeople at our office. Everyone that you speak to is gonna be a licensed attorney in the state of Arizona. And we're gonna tell you exactly what our experience is handling DUIs in Chandler Court and how we can help you. Read our reviews, see why we're rated one of the top law firms in Arizona for our DUI and criminal defense representation. And then I promise you, after you speak with us, you're gonna feel comfortable. And if you're ready to move forward, we're gonna help you. So whether it's day or night, night or day, holidays, we always have somebody on call. You can call us 602-980-1987. If you ever want to speak directly to me, just ask for Matt Lopez. Say, hey, is Matt available? I kind of want to speak to him directly. And I'd be more than happy to. 602-980-1987.